Good morning. Here's the latest from the market open. The FTSE100 opened broadly unchanged at 10,652.81. Across Europe, the Euronext 100 edged higher 0.02%, while Germany's DAX gained 0.75%. Overnight in the US, the Nasdaq closed lower at 25,832.67, while the S&P 500 finished broadly unchanged at 7,483.24. In company news, healthcare software group Craneware warned that full-year 2026 results will fall short of expectations after delays to 340B related revenue recognition and several enterprise contracts. Meanwhile, Strategic Minerals secured approval for a major drilling program at its Redmoor project in Cornwall, supporting the next phase of resource development. Against sterling, the US dollar, Swiss franc, euro, Japanese yen and Australian dollar were all little changed. Bitcoin rose slightly. In commodities, copper and Brent crude moved higher, while gold and natural gas edged lower. That's your market open. I'm Fiona Craig. Have a great day.